In case you didn't hear, scientists are a step closer to cutting inherited genetic diseases out of human offspring using a gene editing technique. For the very first time, scientists said they corrected a gene mutation linked to inherited heart conditions in human embryos. This opens the door to a controversial new era in medicine, you know. Will people use it in the future to create designer babies? Arina Grossu is Family Research Council's director of the Center for Human, and joins us to discuss this. Your reaction to this story?
My reaction is people are afraid of GMO food. Here we are creating genetically modified human embryos, and not only creating them, manipulating them and killing them. In fact, in this process, the story that came out, 12 human embryos were created, manipulated, and then killed. This is not ethical.
Not ethical. The researchers say, you know, they can't be responsible for people who use their research in the ways that they use it. A lot of people are convinced that people will start looking at designer babies.
That's right, and this opens the door for designer babies and also for eugenics. If there are certain types of people or races of people that should not be allowed to be born, then that could be changed. And this also opens up the door for germline engineering, which means that it'll change the human genome forever. We have no idea what kind of mutant genes can result from messing with the human genome, and yet these people will reproduce and carry on the human genome, the mutant version of this. And so it's getting into some crazy science here. Yeah,
crazy science, and this is a conversation that could go on forever, especially if we brought in about 5 more people. We get 5 more differences of opinion. There's no plus, no upside to what they're doing here.
I think it could be done ethically when you're editing genes, not in creating individuals, but in existing individuals. The current medication and the science that's being used right now is to create embryos and then destroy them, which means that you're killing human embryos in the process.
Okay, not my position, but I'm just going to throw it out because you're hearing we're discussing this. You know, what about those who argue that this could lead to fewer infants born with illnesses? Illnesses that will lead to almost certain death. This could lead to healthy babies across the board.
What we need to do is find the ways to use science ethically, but not by creating, manipulating, and destroying human life. And so if we can change genes to help to treat people instead of to enhance or to destroy people, let's do that. But this is not what the science is being used for right now. Okay,
thank you very much. As we continue, what do you think about this research? How far should scientists go? Tell us your thoughts on the WUSA 9 Facebook page, or use the hashtag #OffScriptOn9.